The Will-Rich 357 Inline Ripper is built to break through deep compaction layers. Its rugged frame and high-strength shanks break up compaction as deep as 16 inches. Breaking compaction in the soil profile improves water infiltration and root development, leading to stronger, higher-yielding crops. A 3-point rigid mount is standard on all models, except the 12 shank. An optional pull-type hitch with hydraulic lift wheels is available. Match your needs with different shank and ripper point combinations. Parabolic shanks offer aggressive lift, while low and minimal disturbance shanks provide a smoother finish. Choose between narrow or wide points, depending on how much lift is needed between shanks to break the compaction layer. The 357 Inline Ripper features 2 types of trip assemblies. For simplicity, choose the rigid shear bolt. For added protection from rock damage, choose the spring trip assembly with an auto reset system that snaps right back into place. The 4,250 pounds of trip pressure ensure consistent shank depth and proper soil penetration. Optional 20-inch serrated coulters are spring-loaded to protect the blades from damage. They slice through heavy residue and open up the soil ahead of the shanks, reducing plugging and keeping your pass clean. The Will-Rich 357 Inline Ripper, engineered for deep performance, built for better yields.